Now that we have our iterator, we're going to use it to implement toString, equals, and hash code. Before we do that, let's make sure we have those in our interface. We don't really need to put these in our interface. Strictly speaking, the compiler will not complain, but I'm going to do that just because I want the Java docs in there, because these are slightly different. Well, certainly the toString method is slightly different, and it just shows users of this component that we are overriding these methods. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to use insert code to override these methods. These are object methods, and there they are. So I can just generate those, and I'll add some quick Java docs to these. For the string, for the first sentence, I'll just say returns the string representation of this stack. And of course, we want more than that. We want to see what a string representation looks like. But before I do, I'm just going to copy this and put it down there in the return tag. Okay, so this is the next code I got from looking at some Java docs for a collection. I'm just going to type it out here. Okay, this looks good to me. The string representation contains a list of this stack's elements should be from bottom to top, and the stack's capacity. The list is enclosed in square brackets, and adjacent elements are separated by a command, not a command, a comma and a space. The list and capacity are separated by a colon. For example, the string bracket ABC close bracket :6 represents a stack with 3 elements, where A is the bottom element, C is the top element, and the stack has a capacity of 6. That looks good to me. Let's move on to equals. So for equals, I'm just going to say returns true if the specified object is equal to this stack. Okay, because remember, the parameter here is an object if we want to truly override equals. So we're checking if this object equals the current stack. So I'll embellish it a little here. To be equal the specified object must be a bounded stack with the same capacity, and it, whoops, got a little carried away there, with the same capacity, and it must contain the same number of elements with the same values in the same order. Okay, I think that pretty much covers it. We'll do this, copy, paste, copy, return true if the specified object is equal to this stack, and then I'll just write false otherwise. And for the object, I'll just write that okay. And finally, for hash code, we're going to be real simple here. And basically, I'm just going to say returns the hash code of this. I'll make those 2 words. Returns the hash code of this stack. Okay, and that's it.